What's the deal with y'all, man? You know what I'm saying? We back in action with it today. You know what I'm saying? They got a smile on my face today. You know what I'm saying? So today, um, the profit was 246. You know what I'm saying? We took that like 260L a couple days ago. So you feel me? 246 made all that shit back today. You know what I'm saying? That's why you live to trade another motherfucking day. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, let me break down these trades. So today, you know what I'm saying, I only took SPY and NVIDIA today. So I entered SPY and NVIDIA a couple times today, man. So, you know what I'm saying, let me go to the 5 minute chart. Um, Break this shit down, man. Like I said, man, this was a good ass Thursday, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Friday tomorrow, but it was a good Thursday. So yeah, man. So the market opened. Um, you know what I'm saying? You can see right here on the market open. You know, I don't get into no plays until 6:45. That's the earliest I'm gonna get in. Um, so you feel me? I got in right here, took it up here. You know what I'm saying? And then I got stopped out. So that was like a $8 L. And then I got back in right here. And then I rode this thing all the way up. So we made some bread right there. And I got stopped out right here. Um, and then I re-entered again right here. And then rode it all the way up here. And then got stopped out right here for a dub. So you feel me? And then I hopped in this NVIDIA play. You know what I'm saying? Going crazy. And NVIDIA earnings went crazy. This is my biggest holding in my long term. You know what I'm saying? My long term, where the real money at. This is my biggest holding. So NVIDIA went crazy in the pre-market. You can see it ran up to all the way to 226 in the pre-market. So NVIDIA dipped down here at around 7:30. Boom, caught this dip right here. Rode that shit all the way to the top, man. You know what I'm saying? So that was a good ass play, man. Today was a good play. If I was trading later in the day, I would have copped it again right here and we'd have went in, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, look, this whole move went all the way up there, you know what I'm saying? So this was a bullish chart. You can see it was a couple things I was watching today, you know what I'm saying? I was watching Tesla. Tesla was my other little watch today. You can see I had this thing charted. Look, y'all can check me out, man. I was, look, this, you see how this worked out perfectly? Look at that. Look at that wedge right there, man. This shit was charted out perfectly. So Tesla did its thing. Tomorrow, man, this thing get above 357.